You want a bottle of vices. Every night you keep on rolling the dice. You tell me you love me, then tell me what the price is. I should know better, I can't keep on eating your lies. You said you would change, you're stuck in your ways, and it's overplayed now. A broken record with scrapes, you're spinning in place. You sound all the same, I guess that it's more than just a phase. You wrote the book on saving face, but you keep on skipping the page where you keep on causing the pain, yeah. How many hearts will you break? I feel like I've been replaced. I still remember the feeling of falling in love before there were chains. Now there's nothing left to gain here. You fold me up like I'm paper. Save me for a rainy day when you need a savior. I'm sure I'll hate you for this, but I keep on letting you kiss me. I'm holding out hope it could fix all of the problems I wish we prevented before they existed. Manipulate me to feel guilty. I taste the poison on your lips, but that hope in your eyes is addicting, yeah. I'm done pretending I'm fine. I've had enough of the crocodile tears that you cry. You say you love me and then without me you would die. I think that fucks with my mind. We've been divided by all that you hide. You hesitate when saying my name like I've been erased. You smile so fake, our memories fade, and I'm so afraid that we've grown apart in separate ways. You wrote the script and set the stage. It's like we're watching different plays, and mine always into the grave. Are you almost done with engraving our initials in your veins? Yeah, I take the blame for enabling you to leave scars on my brains. Our love is becoming concave, yeah, but you ignore me like I'm so clear. You only see me when you crave it. Our hearts are becoming so vacant. I'm sure I'll hate you for this, but I keep on letting you kiss me. I'm holding out hope it could fix all of the problems I wish we prevented before they existed. Manipulate me to feel guilty. I taste the poison on your lips, but that hope in your eyes is addicting, yeah.